It's a grappling hook.
I
No,
thought about that.
I don't know. I think that would be very hard to code.
That's for a different game. That's gonna be for the next game after the surviving one. It's just gonna be It's gonna be just
Parkour game. VR parkour game.
Grabbing. Oh yes. Okay with that, too.
So
VR
hard to do
parkour.
VR games. Oh my god, it's so
I
hard.
remember trying to work in VR when we
Yeah.
when we did it in pod.
VR museum. Oh, we didn't have the coding thing. We just had to do level
I
design.
did not like
But
that.
it was so hard. I don't know why. It was
I
just so
know.
hard to do anything with
so
VR.
hard.
So I did do a custom game instance here. Let me share my screen and I'll run you through some of the stuff that I did, just that way you kind of know.
Oh,
Let me put this over here. Oh,
Yeah. I'm sorry. I was just looking at all the game stuff. Ooh. Yeah, I
Oh.
haven't been on in a while.
Yeah. So one of the things that I fixed was if I go in here and I hit play, I don't know if it's gonna play audio because I think I either turned it down or I don't know. But so whenever I shoot, you can see that it loses whatever. If I reload, it'll do whatever.
So does it go past 0 again, or?
No, I fixed that. I made it so that way if you like if I went ahead and I tried to like do this and reload, it would work, but like it won't be able to. Here, let me see if I can go to like 3 or something, make that 0.
Shoot 2.
So like if I do that, it won't be able to reload. Like I'm pressing R and it doesn't work.
Awesome, that's good.
So but now it's like 0. If I go out, let's go to the bathroom.
If you go outside and load.
If I go into the bathroom, it's still there. And also my oh, so I can't be aiming there. So like this is still the same.
Yeah.
Which I do want to show you. I still want to fix that. I don't know if there's a way to fix that little bug right there, but
How you have to walk back into it.
yeah, I don't like how you have to do that. Wow, it's taking a while to load. All right, there we go. Of course, there's a zombie over here. Don't fuck me up. All right, let's go over here. Search a house. It does take a while to load. It shouldn't crash. It's just taking a long time to load.
Yeah.
I did add a lot of options though. So yeah, this is it. And then you can also open doors and then the light turns on. I don't know if I showed you this part, but it's not usually this laggy. I don't know why it's this laggy
Yeah,
right
you
now.
already showed me that part.
Hold on, this is why is it so don't worry about that. That's because of the road. I can't fix that because that's someone else's content. I don't know how to fix the road. Hold on, let me see what's taking up all my fucking space.
Task manager.
Alright, task manager, GitHub, OBS. Alright, close Steam. Don't need Steam open. I'm also gonna close Google Chrome. I don't need that open. Google Chrome is so performance heavy and I don't know why. Why would they do that? Okay, this seems decent enough. I've minimized my disk by like fucking 40%. Let's go into where, oh, that's why. Maps. Literal maps 1 in here. Okay. So yeah. So you know how we were talking about how you can only see what's in front of you and it wasn't working? That's why I added this lighting system. That way you can't see anything. It'll only work if, you know, oh look, you can see what's in front of you and you can shoot and it tells you the health up here. I'm gonna get rid of that later, but it was here. And then this guy's gonna try to run up on me. There we go. And like you can see how I put in more lootables. If I press E, it won't work. I think it works on, no, it doesn't work on that one, but I made it so that way these look already looted, and then the bathroom looks pretty cool.
Ooh.
Which,
Yeah,
did I tell you the story about this?
You have not. I remember you just sending me a picture of this.
Okay, so yeah, so when I was making this kind of level, I did a little bit of like theorizing like what could have happened in this bathroom, and I thought about it. I was like, what if someone got bit and they didn't want to turn, so they wanted to kill themselves, but they didn't have anything to kill themselves except for like a knife or something. So what they did was they slit their wrists, they got in the bathtub, but they ended up turning before they died.
Yeah.
and then someone else came in, and then some shit went down. Obviously, look at all the walls, and then they tried to get out, which was the fingerprint.
Well, let's think of it this way. Even if you do slit your wrist me a bit, still gonna fucking turn.
That's based on what kind of zombie apocalypse.
A lot of them are just like, you gotta go for the brain.
Right, but a lot of times if you die, then you won't be brought back. And then sometimes other things are like, no matter how you die, you get brought back. And then if you get infected, no matter what, you'll come back. So there's like different rules, but...
Yeah, I'm just saying though, if I would go for my jugular, not my wrist.
Alright, let me go to my... I don't know if I would want to... That's hard to... I think I might rather slit my wrist than slit my throat.
Slower,
that seems...
The thing. It's so much slower.
Right, but I feel like it's more painful.
You'll bleed out almost instantly.
Oh,
You bleed out pretty fast. You go for your jugular.
Alright, so if I go to...
I love how we're talking about this.
Yeah, I'm talking about slitting my wrist, and my parents are gonna be like, "What's wrong? Are you okay?" It's like, "Yeah, I'm okay, don't worry."
My parents aren't here.
So if I go and hit play in the main menu, so right here, this is just a placeholder. I don't know if this is what the game's gonna be called. Yeah, it's just a placeholder. So if I go in here and I do options, I can go to video and I can change this
oh my god.
to medium, low, high, medium, low, high, which you notice that it did something because it kind of lagged. Lighting, I don't know if I think I set up lighting to do stuff. Audio doesn't work. Oh, I have to click back. I forgot about that. Audio doesn't actually work. Right now I have to set that up, but if I go to display, it'll change. It won't change right now because I'm inside the viewport, so I can change, you know, it's not going to change. But if I go in here and I change this to do game, it should change the resolution because it's a new window.
Crash.
Yeah, so options. Oh, there we go. Options, display. So, like I think I'd explain this to you. Display mode doesn't work. It doesn't work, and the sole reason why is because it starts on 1280, and then when you click, it goes into 1080, which... Ooh. Oh, finally it fixed itself. Okay, so beforehand, 1280 used to be the full screen, and then 1920 was this screen, so I had to switch it. Now I can switch it back to the correct amount. Oh, thank goodness. All right, so don't look at that resolution. I can fix that easily. But basically, you see how it full screens when it goes into 1920 by 1080? Yeah. So like, that's why this doesn't work. It's because I haven't set that up. It's a pain.
Oh my god, I just noticed that right there.
Yeah, I think that's the rake. If I go in new game, slot one. I don't think I set this up yet, but yeah, that's the saving system. Oh. I skipped it. Oh wait. Oh no, I clicked on slot one and it just took a while to load. I see. Yeah, go upstairs and stuff. It's nice. I'm gonna exit out of this. There we go. There we go. And that's kind of the basis of what I did. Oh, there's kind of other stuff that I did. Let me see if I can show you that. Little mouse one here. Yeah, so you see the texture. Oh, hold on. If you press G while in the viewport, it turns into game mode. You can see how this is actually like, oh man, I wish I could show you without it being
like concrete.
Here, you know what? Let me previews. I made a preview for this. Yeah, material preview. I also have the decal preview I made. Yeah, so here we go. So I added, oh, you can barely see it because the UV textures, but like this is kind of these are the concrete materials. These are wood materials that I have. They're all kind of broken down. It's kind of nice. These ones are pastel things, so like wallpaper that's been broken. You can barely see it because the UV texture on them, but they're kind of they're pretty nice. So if I were to add it to something big, like me go to the viewport here and I just add it onto this. Oh no, it still doesn't work because of the UV texture. Well, that sucks. All right, well, it works in the game. That's all you can know. That's all you need to know. All right. But yeah, so I think that's pretty much everything. I already showed you the bathroom, so yeah, the decals are nice, which I added more decals. Maps, previews, decal. I think I added. I might have not have added them in here.
How
But...
far are you on the inventory thing? Just let me know.
Yeah, let me go ahead and show you how far I've gotten. Let me go back to selected viewport, and then because there is I did make it so that way you could kind of, like, you could press E on one of the things in the home base. So let me go here. So this one you can press E on, and it'll open up the inventory. Yeah. Obviously, you don't have anything, so, you know, it's not going to show up. And if you press I, it'll open up the inventory. There's nothing inside your inventory, and there's nothing inside the chest. So basically, what this would do...
Can you get out of it? Can you, like... I just want to know if you can get out of the...
Oh, the inventory?
One. Yeah.
Yeah, so if I press I can press I again, get that out. I can go in here, and then I can press E again to get out of it.
Sure, because the way you did it was you stopped the whole level.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm just dumb.
I was just like, alright.
So let's see. So the inventory system. So whenever I press I, it'll add the inventory widget to whatever, which I'm getting this reference by adding it initially when the player starts a level. And then if I go inside game or content UI, you sneeze, man. Inventory.
I can't. That's the thing.
Just sneeze. All right. Inventory.
Yes, Colby.
Right, inventory widget. And the looting slot.
You overcooked the noodles. How dare you?
Okay, so basically how this works is that if I select the inventory, I can go in here and add some of this stuff in, and then inside the inventory widget, whenever they press E, it will go ahead and say list items. And I think how I set this up before is that it creates it every time from the item data. I think I had it set like that. Compile. Let me just go to event graph, and this is getting event construct. Yeah. So now whenever I press I, here, let me. Oh wait.
Sorry, I'm fighting Colby right now too.
It's okay. You do that, man. You fight that bitch. All right. So now.
Colby, you're a bitch. That's a good question. Which one of us said it?
Well, I guess both of us, because you said it.
Tristan says
and I also said it.
Tristan called you a bitch. You can't hear you.
Okay.
I hear you over your bitching. This house is bitching.
I can't hear the amount of bullshit coming from your mouth. I love that. Alright, so if I press I, I just put in cheese and I put in rock. Now if I close it and then I open it in, it'll add it again. And the reason why it does that is because every single time I press E, it'll go ahead and add this to the viewport. Whenever it adds it to the viewport, it'll go ahead and say list items function. Inside the list items function, it pretty much gets everything that's inside here, and it will create a slot widget. This right here is the bane of my existence. Because whenever you press E, it'll do it correctly, and then when you press E again, I, it'll close it, and then when you press I again to open it back up, it'll go ahead and add it again. I don't know how to say, like, how to check if it's already there. I don't know how to check if, you know, like I could probably say get item slot is valid or something, but I don't even know how to say is valid, and I don't even know if that's going to be the same thing as saying is valid to whatever. Like, what does this do? How do I know this is doing what I want it to do? Oh shit, no, don't do that. All right, I don't want to install Visual Studio.
I'm trying to think.
So basically the only, like, the most, like, simplest way I can explain how this inventory works, whenever I press E, it'll go ahead, it'll create, it'll open up the inventory, and then it'll go ahead and say add inventory slot, and then add it into my thing. And this is the slot, and I kind of just assigned these to whatever the item data is, and then which is item data. It's just that. It's pretty much that simple. It's just that. And then I don't know how to say get what's already there. I really
Yeah.
don't know
Understand.
how to, unless I can say like another array saying current inventory, and then saying, instead of just saying create slot
Yeah,
widget,
or if
I
you-
can
I'm trying to think
I
of
can
how
say
he
like
did it.
I can go ahead and I could probably go like add, and then probably like add another array, or get the item data, add this,
Yeah, that would be
add
like the
array, and then we can make another array, or I don't know how the fuck to, but
yeah.
I can work on this if you want to try to work on this, or you want me to work on this, or if you want to work on something else. I don't know.
I don't even know anymore. That it seems. I'm trying to think of how he did it, like how to do it, and I don't know.
Yup. Because I just followed the very short tutorial, and that's all it was. And he's like, if you guys like this, I can make a part 2, and then he never made a part 2. So and then I was thinking about going into like someone else's inventory, like the guy that you hated. I was, because that one's like a downloadable inventory, so I went and I downloaded that. I went and I checked. I couldn't find where to find the check inventory kind of thing. So
I couldn't find shit in his, because it wouldn't work for me when I downloaded it.
Yep. Which the one that we were following was bogus, anyways, because he had another one saying how to do the same thing, but with like a chest. So.
Ugh.
Hmm.
Yeah. No. I'll work on something. I'll work on something.
Okay.
But the inventory, I've had enough of inventory.
I mean, one of the things that I could do is I could go into side scroller character, and I can go ahead and say get chest inventory, because that's like what's in there. Maybe.
I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go grab.
Oh, what? Okay. There's a way I could do this.
I'm taking you with me.
Oh no. I need to mute yourself then. I need some sort of clarity in my mind. I could go and say add to inventory, right? And then I can basically say add the contents to chest into add inventory, and then it'll constantly update add to inventory, and then it'll go ahead and remove add from inventory, and then it'll recreate it. That way, I don't know why I keep looking over here. This is OBS. I'm looking at OBS, and I'm looking at myself when I say stuff. Don't know why it helps me think, but it does. So if I go in here and I just change this to, what is this? Item data. Oh shoot. Right. Item data. Yeah, item data right here. So if I go ahead, wait, what's inside item data? It's just icon, name, class. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, we're good. We're good. So yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll call this item data reference. Yeah, right there, right there. Yeah. And then we'll go ahead and make this an array. And then compile. So now, whenever, let's say I click on the chest, right? Let's say I click on the chest, it'll go ahead, it'll display what's inside the chest, which it'll display whatever I put in here. So if I go ahead in here and I say, oh, cheese, right? And let's say, let me get to the chest. So I think it's inside level blueprints. Yeah, looting widget. That's what it's called. Looting widget. Looting widget right here, which is the same thing as inventory widget. It's just this stuff. Yeah. All of this was, yeah, it was a lot of stuff. Oh, hold up. That was my brother, and I'm really glad that his face didn't get on camera, because I don't want anyone to know the existence of my brother. All right.
Anyone want to know my brother?
They know your brother.
They want to see his face?
No one's here to see their face.
Damn.
Yeah, I've been left in the dust.
It's all right. He'll scare them away anyway.
I got McDonald's, but that's okay, because I'm gonna use my my gangbang.
had that last night, and they are doing the 2 for $6 right now. So I got a Big Mac and a Quarter Pounder. Thought about having it again tonight, but chose ramen instead.
I have a theory of doing this.
Yes.
I'm gonna try to do it.
Okay.
First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do that. Inventory slot. Target is self. Okay. I'm just scared that. I don't want to add the contents from my character. One, I want to add the contents from the new array I just did, but of course I don't know how to change that. Let me see if I can go to my slot. Oh, looting slot. I have 2 different slots. Well, that's easier. All right. Well, why am I doing the inventory slot when I could be doing the looting slot? That's what it's made for, bro. That's what it's made for. Don't be fucking with me. Target is inventory list. What is inventory list? Oh, that's just this inventory list. Right, cool. Yeah, no, that's good. Okay. So now, wait, what? Crap. The item slot, set it. Well, that's not working. It's not working at all. All right. Where is it in use? No slot. It'll be fine. Delete that. Just make sure it's still here. It is. Cool. Wow. We'll go ahead and make a new variable here, and we'll call this looting slot. Cool. And then here, and inside here, it's gonna get the stuff from item data. It's gonna break it. It's gonna do that, and it's gonna set the stuff to what it needs to be set to. Now, is that gonna do it? So if I do oh, let me save all real quick. If I do block and choose. If I press E, it's adding something, but it's not anything. Why? Why is that? Oh, because there's no item data. Duh. Alright, So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this character, and then we're gonna say get, and then chest, right? Chest inventory.
Didn't like it, huh? What?
And then-
Didn't like it, huh? I didn't like the noodle part. The noodles were dry. Make no fucking noodles!
There must be a way to say like, wait, no. Well, I guess it'll be for each loop, right?
Or
Yeah.
each loop.
Wait, no, I don't think I need a break though. Do I? Do
Well,
I
not
need a
branch.
break? I don't think I need a break. I don't think I need it. Why is it only letting me do with a break? For each loop, an array. Can't see how that works. Well, that doesn't make sense, but I think I was doing something weird. I wasn't paying attention. And this is gonna go in here. So it's gonna go ahead and say get the chest inventory. And it's gonna say add the item data to whatever hooey dooey pooey. Alright. Now it should only have cheese. And it only has cheese. And then I go inside my inventory. Oh wait, oops. I exit out of the game. I go ahead and I go out cheese and rock, and I go in here, and now it's just cheese. Okay. We got that part down. We can say how much stuff we want to be in there. And what's cool about this is it's not like the inventory, okay? You see, with the inventory, all we're gonna need to do is show it. Right? Yeah. Oh, no, sorry, not with the inventory. The inventory, we're gonna have to add things every single time, because you never know. But if we go ahead and we just say, you know, we don't have to add items every single time we open and up the chest. We just only have to do it once. We only have to do it once because you can't. This is going to be a thing where you can't put something in a chest. You can only loot it. So this would probably be in like a lootable level instead of the home base. But right now I'm just going to do it for the home base just for testing reasons, and then we'll work off of that. But now I have to do something here. Never mind. I already have it. I'm just that good. I already have a button there. Cool. Padding. That could work. I just have to go inside here and make it in the middle. There we go. So now the button is fairly big. Put that in there. So now, inside here, we'll have this little function. Okay. God, this burger's getting destroyed. Mm. Before we do that, let's only list it once. Only once. And how we're gonna do this, because I think there's actually a thing for it already, and it's called
Something like that.
do once. There we go. Now, do I do this before or after? Probably probably before. So if I said this, maybe do once, start close, start open. Okay, so now if I do that, did it mess up or is it there? It's there, and if I go back, no, it's still, the do once doesn't work. Okay. So we'll go ahead and say our own little do once thing. We're gonna say add variable. I move this over here. This variable is going to be called do once. Right? Enter. It's going to be set to true by default. Whoop. And then we're going to go ahead and say a branch right here. We're going to go ahead and say get. Put it in here. If it's true, it'll go ahead and actually, we'll actually make this variable. We're actually going to rename this to called list items. Excuse me. Oh, is it already a thing? Probably. Oh yeah, list items up here. Yeah, okay, I see. Rename to do list items. And if that is true, it'll go ahead and list the items. If it's not, then it won't. It'll just go ahead and, I guess, show. Well, I guess it's already showing, so it's not gonna... would that work? Because there's no false statement. Alright, we'll see. So if I press E, cheese, I press E again. Oh, it still did it. Why did it do it? They shouldn't have added it. Why are you listing the items? Stop listing the items. Alright. We'll go ahead in here and we'll say, oh, duh. Alright, hold on. Duh. I have to set it to false after. I'm smart, but I'm dumb. Alright, do that, and now press E, cheese, press E. What? No, now it's that's the engine's fault this time. It's going in here. Is it true? It is. It'll go through here, and it'll say list items of the inventory widget. And then it'll set it to false. So now, whenever I put it back, it'll say this. It shouldn't go up here because it's already it's false, right? Hold on, let me add like a print string or something. A print string that says hello, a welcome line hello, and I go in here. I press E. It should. Excuse me? It never said hello at all. What's going on? What is going on? Oh! Wait, maybe? I don't know. Hold on. I always compile it, bro. I always compile it.
I don't. I always forget about that at times.
Blueprints, level blueprint. Am I working on the wrong thing here? It's every single time. Okay, so if you press E while you're on the home chest, it'll go ahead and show this to the viewport or remove it from the viewport. Okay. How would I set this to be false?
I'm trying to find a video which will show me how to do a how do I explain? I want to figure out randomly generated. I want to get assets and put them in a level and randomly generate them.
Oh my god, you're talking about procedural generation? Are you sure you want to do that?
I'm not talking about that. No.
Randomly generated.
Yeah, but you know, like you know how like you can pick the search a building.
Yeah, you wanna say randomized through levels?
Yeah.
There
I'm
was
like,
probably a thing for that.
I tried, and every every time I reworded what I wanted to it, it'd bring me back on Google to the
Well,
procedural levels.
let me show you how to the right way to word it. So let's say I wanted to say, open here. I don't think it's gonna let me in here because I'm inside of a fucking widget. Hold on, let me go inside here, and I'll say like open level, right? Open level.
Yeah.
Now you want a randomized chance between multiple of these, correct? Well, first you need an event. That could be a custom event doing, choose level. But then you could also have a branch of saying, I don't know, does this integer variable equal 1? Does it equal 2? Does it equal 3? And then you could say how to randomize an integer. Does that make sense?
Tristan, I was just looking for a tutorial to do it. I couldn't find one. I kept finding the same one over and over again, where it's a guy just running off into infinity and it just keeps on creating the map.
Let me go ahead and pause Harry Mac for a second.
Ugh. I did find like something of it.
Hey Cam.
Yeah.
There's a node in here. Let me do this. There's a node in here called random.
Integer.
Yeah, random integer. You can
What
set the
does it
max
do?
value. Well, it's just gonna gather a random integer. I wonder if there's a way to set a scale on it. Actually, no. You could say max 3, like this,
Yeah.
and then say a print string, just for testing purposes. And I can totally say add custom event here and say test that in there, and then let's call this at the start of the game. Tests. Fuck. Huh. Ah, here it is. Wait, these are action events. No, I don't. Hold on. No, I got this. Hold on. Events. No need to fear. I'm here. It's okay. Bless you.
Test. Nope, that's not. Right.
Why is there so many things?
Tristan, I don't know.
Event on jumped. Event. These are just an action event. Okay, we're gonna rename this to something else that isn't like every other fucking thing. All right, let's rename this. How do I name? We're gonna call this test. Oh no, I'm gonna call it butt, and then
Yay. I feel like they're just to
there we go.
Appease me.
And say
I kept
butt.
saying but.
Oh come on, how could? There we go. Okay, so now whenever the game starts, because this is off event pick and play, whenever the game starts, it'll go ahead, it'll get a random integer, 2, 3. So it's gonna get a random between 1, 2, and 3, and it's gonna print it. So it says 2, it says 1, it says 1, it says 2.
Yep.
It says 0. Oh, 0. Okay, cool. So that means that in here, we're actually gonna have to set this to be 2. Because there's 3 levels here and 0 counts as 1. So now what we're gonna have to do is we're just gonna have to say we need a variable in here saying choose level.
Yep.
And this will be an integer value, and each level is going to be depicted on what type of number it is. So actually, if I just hold B and I left click, there we go. I can do that, and then I can drag. Oop, this is an array. I don't want that. Bring it in an object. There we go. I can go like this, say get, and I could say is equal to 0, it will go ahead and then do whatever this level is. If it is not, then it will go ahead and it will, you know, it'll check if this is equal to 1 or equal to 2, and then if it's 1, it'll go here. If it's 0, then it'll just go here. Oh, sorry, not 0. If it's 2, yeah, 2, it'll go there. But before we have to do this, we actually have to set it first every time. So we have to go in here and say set. There. That's basically how to do it. I mean, you can work off of, you know, that over there, but
yeah, I'm just trying to think, because that's how you randomly generate a level of levels you have, right?
Yep. How to randomize the items in that level?
That too, right?
That you're gonna have to work off of, like, procedural generation, really. Yeah. I know procedural generation is like level design stuff, but technically items are kind of level design when they're inside chests, because chests are part of the level, but
yeah, I was just trying to figure out how to do it so that, like, it'll randomly spawn, like, kind of like the level itself differently each time.
I think I know how to make it so that way items spawn randomly in chests.
That's awesome.
It's not hard. You just do exactly what I did over here, wherever it is, over here, and just for the inventory.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
Can I I'm actually. I want to tell you. I think I figured out a solution to the inventory system.
Yes.
So.
You did.
How I'm thinking about this is right now, whenever you know. Oh, right. Hold on. This is fucking up the game now. Get out of here. And then I know you don't have an event anymore. Okay. Okay. So whenever you press I, it adds stuff, and when we press I again. Oh, fuck. I don't. Oh, God, games have really fucked me up. All right. I, and then I. Ooh. It's fixed. I don't know what I did. Oh, because I did the do once thing. Oh, I'm so smart. Yeah, so
you really are.
Oh wait, that didn't work. Wait, hold on. Why does this work but not? I'll have to fix that. But basically, instead of adding it every single time, I'm gonna keep it like this. This is basically going to say, hey, add the things that are in the inventory. Okay. Once it adds it to the inventory, it's never gonna do it again until you until you cast it from, let's say you add an item. Whenever you like, you know, you click on a chest, you add an item to your inventory, that's when it's going to call the function. This is just whenever the game starts, it'll just go ahead and do this the first time, and once it's done, you can never get it back. So because it's under the inventory widget.
Yep.
This whole time I've been trying to do it for this when I've been working on an inventory. Okay, well, I did it. I just had to recreate this in the looting. So basically what it's doing is it's going ahead and it's calling this function to add the items only once. Whenever it doesn't, or whenever it does it once, it'll never do it again, but it'll still show the inventory every single time I press I. It just won't add anything. That's basically how I'm doing it. It'll only add stuff when I say add something. Whenever I, you know, that is, instead of checking, you know, everything in the inventory to see if it's valid or not, and then adding the additional thing, why don't we just set it to be only the additional thing and fuck the inventory entirely?
Agreed.
That's my Einstein thought. Alright,
listen here, Einstein.
Sounds like an insult when you say it. Alright.
Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Aha! Nerd! I'm a nerd too, though.
I thought you were calling me smart ass. Like calling me a nerd.
No, I called you a nerd.
Alright, so this is gonna say show item chest. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, hold up. Hey Cam, I'm gonna go and help my niece set up the Nintendo.
Yeah.
I will be back in a jiffy.
Hard. What was the thing we had? Castaways. We are castaways.
I am back. My cat likes to
Hi.
wander in my room, and then when I come in, he's like, "Fuck! I'm not supposed to be in here," and he just runs.
I'm trying to I want to do some levels this angle. I want to try to.
Yeah, go ahead. Here, you want me
What you
to
have?
show you where the decals are?
Yeah, I need that stuff.
Yeah. All right. So the decals, if you go under the content and then under content again, because they're
Am I doing it
in a level.
in the zombie project, right? Or am I doing it in?
Yeah, you want to do it in the zombie project. I just won't mess anything with the level design. Under content, go to materials.
Give me a second. I'm loading
Okay.
in. I was in my own project.
I'll show you. Sorry, what?
A new levels, I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's Jesus. Content. Oh, where do I go? Content.
Materials. There's two content folders.
Yes, there is. You are right.
I do that because there's just like what's in the game kind of thing. So
Decals.
yep, materials. Now before you go into decals, there's also input. Oh wait, there's nothing in input inspection. Okay, anyways, if you go to content materials, these are all the materials that I've gotten. So there's like frames for like picture frames or like a mirror frame. I even have a mirror material in there. I
haven't even saw how you did this. I don't even know how you did it.
did this. Did what?
Like the main one, like the building itself.
The building itself, don't worry about it. All you have to do is go back to content, go to maps.
Content. Maps.
Go inside the lootable maps and then go under one.
Yeah.
And then left click lootable maps, but don't open it. Just select it, right click it and say duplicate. And then say lootable map _2. and then now you have a new map to work with.
Yeah. Definitely didn't get my left and right confused and right clicked it first.
Okay. Oh. So what was I doing here? I was doing this. I was doing branch. Yeah, so I will show you how I do like the lighting stuff and everything. I wouldn't worry about that right now. Just make a bomb level. We'll get to it. I'll also show you how I do chests because
make bombs. You're saying make a bomb?
Yeah, make a bomb.
Am I making a bomb?
No.
I'm a bomb.
You are the bomb. File save.
I thought you were gonna say I'm a terrorist.
Oh shoot! It doesn't even. Oh, because I forgot. Gotta set it to true. Oh, you were lagging out like a robot. I got it.
Yeah. Oh my god, the lag. It's not even open. What the?
You alright?
What? No.
No. What's wrong?
No. Ah! I see the years at 100%. All because I right clicked instead.
I don't know what to do. Oh yeah, I got a haircut. Just my stream. No.
Castaways.
Also, I don't know if I told you, but I'm wearing my my blue light glasses. Oh yeah, no, I did tell you that.
What? Hmm?
Oh, skirt.
Skirt.
Did someone say something about pizza?
What about pizza?
That's what I'm having.
Motherfucker. Ah, skeet. Got.
Skip it about, boobity bop.
Hey, the video's back.
So, there should be a button now inside here. Yep, you can tell because it's going up and down. So now, all I gotta do is cast to this character, get the inventory, and add something to that inventory, right? So what I gotta do is I gotta remove the elements already in there. That way, when I go ahead and I press I, it's not there because there's nothing in there. So, actually, you know what I'll do actually is I'll add a rock. I'll go ahead and I'll add a rock in there, which usually how I do this is I forgot which texture I used for the rock. Because it's not called rock. This is now what a rock looks like. Alright, this is going to be a rock. The class is going to be a object. The weight, I haven't set up weight yet.
Alright.
File saved. So now if I go ahead and hit play and then the rock's in there. What's the problem, Bood? Buddha? What's the problem?
The problem I found for me, I know it's a small problem and everything, I don't know how to fix it, right?
Okay.
But, the problem... no, don't want to do that. Don't want to do that.
Is it embarrassing? Do you need me to mute my desktop audio so they can't hear you say it?
No. I'm stuck in the game.
Stuck in the game. Have you done anything yet? Or...
I'm trying to get out. I hit standalone game to see stuff because I had to reopen it because of how laggy it got. I'm stuck in the standalone game because it went full screen.
Oh, press the Windows key.
Windows key. Haha! Thank you. Also, no, I was doing it and I shot a zombie, right?
Yeah.
I shot a zombie and I realized I wasn't all the way moved over, like, you know how you turn around and everything?
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't all the way over, so my shots keep missing because I was just a hair off of being, like, fully the other way.
Mm. Okay.
And I'm like, wait, why ain't I hitting it? I'm facing it. And then I hit D again, and it moved me just slightly. And then I shot and I hit it, and I'm like, really?
Mm. Okay.
Uh, so left. No, yes, there we go. Duplicate, right? Duplicate.
Yep.
Got it. Thank you.
So I have the character, but when am I getting the character?
What do you mean?
No, you know how you can promote to a variable?
Sure.
So like you have to cast to side scroller character, you can promote it to the character, and now you can use the character anywhere else in the blueprint. Well, I can do that, but I never casted to it, so it's not gonna work. I have to cast to it first. The hell, guys? Come on, man. Come on, man.
I'm all shook up.
We'll go ahead, say alt, and we'll make a new variable and call this, no, we're doing it every time. Cast. Ooh. To side. Let me just finish eating, and then I gotta clean up, because shit's going everywhere. I'll be right back.
All right. Oh God.
I'm back.
Hi, how's it going?
You'll be good. Now I don't have shit just flying around over my desk. Okay.
That's good.
Okay. Get player character. Do that, and I gotta promote this to a variable. Oh, look at that! I gotta. Huh. Wow. I gotta delete the character to then cast to the character. That's funny. Okay.
Wait, what? I'm sorry.
No, it's a variable. Don't worry about it. I'm not deleting the actual character.
Okay. Got it.
Is it gonna say it's in use? It says it's in use, but I don't know. There's nowhere in here that's use. Not in use. I think it's lying to me. I really think it's lying to me. I'm gonna go ahead and delete.
Tristan.
What's up?
What's happening?
You are lagging out, boy.
I know, it's every time I'm doing.
Cameron, has your computer exploded yet? We will, hope he lives.
Hello?
Hi!
Alright, now the Windows key's working. So, I duplicated the outs.
Uh-huh.
And then all that started happening again.
Say that again?
So the outdoor, I duplicated the outdoor one perfectly, right?
Yeah. Wow, it's not picking up anything that you're saying.
Hello?
Hi.
So I duplicated the outdoor map, you know, outside the base.
Uh-huh.
I went back and said, alright, let's try doing the lootable map and duplicate that one again. Switch it around a bit. It broke everything and made me go robotic.
Okay.
And I like it's all lagging and the Windows key keeps like popping up and not popping up now.
Okay. Well,
What is up with
unreal.
that one?
Let me go ahead. Lootable maps. 1, do this. I'm gonna go ahead and say duplicate. There you go. I've made it for you.
Thank you. I don't know why that happened.
File. Save all. There we go. If I go inside of it, it is here. Coolly. I'm going to then do source control, submit to source control. I'm gonna send it over to you. Hey there, man. I finally catch your stream again. Hello. Hello. You've missed some GTA streams. Nate, the Cam, you still there?
I'm here.
Okay. How are you?
I went. I opened Task Manager. Right? You ready? You ready for what the CPU was at again?
Sure.
100 again.
Wow.
Now it's at 2% after I got out of the Unreal Engine.
Yeah, no, sometimes Unreal Engine's like, I'm trying to do it, and then it just doesn't care about your computer in the process, so.
Not at all.
Well,
Yeah, go back onto the computer because I'm on my phone right now. On it all.
how things been going? It's been good. I took a break from the Unreal Engine just to keep things a little fresh. I didn't want to burn out on it. Played a lot of GTA.
I'm a murder son.
I see it's all changed up. Yeah, I don't remember what I was doing the last time you were here. I gotta say, a lot of shit has happened. But looting widgets. I'm working on an inventory system, which is the hardest thing in game development.
For me when I did it. Why is it the hardest thing ever?
Really shouldn't be that hard. It just is.
Really?
What?
The name of the thing is really. You. But you're right. You're right. Stuff for me, bitch.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, so I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, I was trying to add a thing. So looting slot. When you add something, it will go ahead and it'll say you were working on pathfinding AI stuff. Pathfinding AI stuff. Yes. There was the nav mesh. Things were getting broken. Okay. Yeah, so the solution I had for that one was very easy. I believe the solution for you was expand the nav mesh and not just kind of fixed stuff. But then he was dodging the bullets. So what I did was I went into, let's see, content, AI, zombie. I went inside in here and I took his hitbox and I expanded it. That way, no matter what, if he's in front of you and you shoot in front of you, he gets hit. Now later on in the game, we'll make it so that way the character has to actually aim, and then I'll have to do something else with this. But this is just it works for now. So
totally, like I wasn't aiming and then it missed. I shot and I missed. So I shot again
what?
and I missed. Yeah, that's what I was telling you. That,
how are you missing? I've made it super easy.
What I told you earlier of how it happened.
That guy is falling backwards into that drawer. Yeah, it's not hard.
Woke up.
Placeholders help visualize, yeah.
Alright, there we go. That's my boo! Don't you dare. No, I've spent so I've trying to get this to work because it keeps breaking my computer. Stop touching my computer.
Oh, you...
Let me work on my game, Colby. Oh no,
Oh, it's Colby.
keeps messing with me.
Can I remove? Remove index. Remove item?
He pulled my chest hair.
Oh my god.
That hurts.
Move items?
Tristan, like how like it doesn't turn all the way when you turn yourself. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, I know what I mean.
So
I know what
that's
you
how
mean.
I messed. Yeah.
I use placeholders, especially now that I'm getting GUP AI.
What?
I have to base models in place. Yeah. Yeah, one of the things that I have placeholders in the top left, it'll show their health, even though it's not going to stay there. It's just for testing reasons. Placeholders. Did you just send me a picture?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, hello?
Why did you send me...
Hi. Yes.
What is happening?
I went over, I let her out as soon as I got home. Then I came back to go get my house. Let her out.
Oh, he's not talking to me. Oh. Why is it so windy? Is someone just slightly blowing into the microphone? He's in his house. Okay. What? Okay, remove index, and I can remove certain indexes. Can I just say all index? Can I just say remove all indexes? Oh, you know what I could do is I could do a alt, and I can say for each loop, and I can say remove the index that it's on, and it's gonna do all the indexes.
I'm sorry. I just got a call from the person I'm watching the dog for. Asked if I've been over there yet, and I was like, yeah, I went over and let her out.
No
Also,
problem.
yes, I did send you a picture. Did you see what it was?
Yeah, it was some Call of Duty.
Those are things I got I saw today, and I got them for Colby.
Oh, I see, I see.
I just want to show you them because I got him like
I like the Revive soda.
30, but the quick revive. I think it was quick revive, right?
It just says Revive.
I gotta send those to Nate too. Yeah, revive. Yep, revive.
Oh, wait, why am I
Quick
adding?
revive.
No, what am I doing? Don't remove. Why am I trying to remove the... Wait a minute. Hold on. I don't want to remove... Okay, so what I was going to do is I was going to say, hey, add these to here and then remove them before you add them, but I don't want to remove my entire inventory before I add the extra shit that I'm trying to add. I'm curious to why he is so echo. Is he echoed again?
Am I echoed again?
Is he echoey again? Because he's not echoed on here.
I swear it's
Why are you echoed on OBS but not in Discord?
I don't know why. Why are you asking me?
I'm asking myself. You just happen to answer. Voice echo on fuck OBS. Trying to start up my microphone on OBS. It's fancy. Yeah, but this is microphone. This is like desktop audio. Okay, let's just say desktop. It sounds like he's... Yeah, look, so if I did this, that's not echoey. If I did...
I have absolutely no words.
That's not echoey, but he's echoey. It doesn't make any sense. And it's the same audio program on OBS. Yeah, okay. I don't know if you know how audio. If I don't know if you know how OBS works, but desktop.
Last time last time I used OBS was when we were in high school.
I'm telling the guy in my chat.
Oh yeah. Again, last time I used OBS, it was in high school.
Yep. Question help. Desktop echo. I have a problem with my sound while streaming and recording. If I'm streaming, my desktop sound has a very small echo. Ignore the German bullshit. I am recording with Fraps. I don't have the problem. Can anyone help me? With Fraps? Fraps is different from OBS, isn't it?
Yes. I don't know.
Fraps is a program to record your screen. It's different software, or is it? I think it might be something else. Are you watching the stream at the same time? If so, mute it. Do you have... No, it's not. It's weird because nothing else on my computer will echo except for you. I was wondering if you have a Discord channel so I can at least keep up to date with what you're doing when I'm unable to watch. Okay, so I have a YouTube channel where I upload stream archives. I stopped for a while just because I'm a lazy bitch, but I want to get back into it. I believe that is linked in somewhere on here, but if you don't have it, I'm just gonna type it in. I did not say upload or Zeus one. That's the YouTube channel with my archive. I have another channel where I actually put in edited stuff, but I stopped editing so that way I could do other shit in my day because editing takes a lot of my day and I need time in my day. So yeah, I don't have a camera, so okay. So kind of thing. I don't know why it's like that, because nothing else on my desktop is echoing. It's only your mic on Discord, and it can't be Discord's fault because Nate doesn't echo when he talks to Discord. Only you do.
I don't know why, alright?
But like you sound perfect in my ears. That's the thing. You're not echoey, you're not... It's just weird that like it's... Maybe I need to like... I don't know if that would help. What if I just like delete my desktop audio from OBS and then I re-put it in? Makes sense. There's never enough time. Yeah. I'm gonna be starting a full-time job soon, and I'm working on this. And I was doing some other stuff too. So yeah, what's up?
How do I make it so I can see the whole level?
What do you mean?
I just see blackness. Like I see like the first where you spawn in, and then you know how you have the rooms just all darkened.
Oh, hang on. All right. Why, hello there. Hello, Nate. All the mods are in my chat now. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you see the light sources?
Yeah, like the little light bulbs.
Click on them.
Yep.
In the details panel, there should be an intensity setting.
Yep.
Change it to 8.
Hey, there we go. Thank you.
Yeah,
I was so confused.
Zeus Madness is the guy that I play a lot of GTA with. So, okay.
He's the guy I play a lot of Call of Duty with.
Really? What? He's never asked me to play Call of Duty. I don't play Call of Duty.
You don't have Call of Duty? It's funny because Colby's asked you to play Call of Duty. It got to the point where he was like, Tristan, I'll buy it, and you actually just have to play it.
Oh god, I don't know why things like that so much. I don't know if I can fix it. The only desktop audio I have is my headphones. If I go ahead and turn that off, and I say apply, I don't even know if I can do that while I'm streaming. I can. Go ahead, talk. Cool. It didn't work. Alright, good. Let me go back to settings. audio. Let me turn it back on. What is it? Here we go. Apply. There you go. Talk.
Hello there.
Oh goodness, you are way louder. It deleted all my filters. No, don't laugh. You're bass boosting them. Let me turn you down. There. Alright. Now you can talk. They can't really hear you. Like they can hear you kind of, but not that well. Here, let me actually hold on, keep talking. Yeah, you know what? That's fine. Right there. Tell me how was your day? Tell me how your day was been.
Who? What? Huh?
Tell me how your day was. What'd you do?
Busy. Clean. Hung out with old people.
Alright, audio's good.
That sounds great.
Now,
Amazing,
just don't
right?
scream because I don't have a voice pitch for you yet, so it's going to catch all that. Whether like mine, no matter how loud I get, it won't get louder than it is on OBS already. So
Loud.
not on the stream. Alright. Did you find the intensity setting?
Yeah, I did. I'm all good.
Tell me, chat, tell me if that fixed his
Tell me
audio.
more,
Probably
tell
not.
me more.
It's nothing. I don't think it's anything wrong with OBS. I don't think it's anything wrong with Discord. I don't know how it could be Cameron's microphone. Otherwise, I would hear it. It's just happening. It's
That's
so
actually
weird.
a good point too. I don't know how it could be my headset because
It just
you
doesn't.
would hear it, right?
Yeah, I don't get it. I'm gonna have to go on Reddit or something and just ask someone, because I'm not that good with audio. I'm just a boy who knows how to program.
He's just a young boy.
No, I don't even really know how to program.
Nobody loves him but me.
No one loves me but you.
Yep.
Alright. Okay, so what I was doing was I was trying to say add. Okay, so add. Like that. Perfect. Oop. Put that over there. Now I can go and say get the character, and I can say get add to inventory. Or I could actually. Hang on. Ooh. Oh boy. So if I click the button, how can I say click the button of everything in there? Ooh.
Mama.
Just killed a man. Put a gun up to his head. Pulled my trigger, now he's dead.
Mama.
I think I just do this.
Just begun. Now
I've gone and thrown it all away. Boom, boom, boom.
Mama. Ooh. Didn't mean to make you cry. If
I'm not back again this time tomorrow.
Carry on, carry on.
Alright,
As if
got
nothing
this.
really mattered.
actually, before I do this, it's good for you. I must be going crazy. No. It's no. See, like I've checked my stream after it was uploaded, and it was doing it. It's not just you. It's just something, and I don't know. It's insane. I don't get it.
I don't know if it is me.
It's not you either. It's
I was gonna say I don't know.
it can't be you. It can't be me. It's just the way it is. I don't know. Alright, so
I am whatever you say I am.
Wait, no,
I
this has to
wasn't.
say for each loop, right? No, only when you click add, it'll add the current icon, name, and class, right? Yes. Right? Yes.
Bud.
Huh?
Yeah, you're definitely not going crazy, bud.
Huh?
What?
I'm going crazy. Okay, so how do I now add this to here? I don't know. Maybe I can go like this and I can do like make array or something. Like, can I do this, please? Thank you. I can go in here and I can just say like make away, making away. I can't like
Let it rain.
take the stuff from here and put it in here. I don't think I can. I don't think I could. All right, so how am I adding it? So inside here, I'm saying create the slot widget, and then I'm saying the item slot, and then the add child. Why don't I just go ahead and say create slot? That doesn't like, why don't I just do that?
I don't know, you're smart, you can figure it out.
It's not hard. So if I go in here and I say copy, right, and then I went in here and wherever that is, how do I? Where was it? It was in here. There you go. And I said Control V, right? So whenever I press this, it'll go ahead. It will. I don't think I need any of this stuff. It'll go ahead. It'll grab this, and then it's gonna create the slot, and then yeah. It's gonna create lootable slot. Yep, looting slot, and we're gonna go ahead and say, oh goodness, what did he do?
He killed a man.
Camera, don't make fun of me. Add child. Add child. No. Child? Add child? Yes. The target being the inventory list of this of this of this. Well, I have a looting slot in here. Why don't I just put it in here? God, I'm just making it so much more like, I don't know. It's just, okay. Yeah, go in here and then we'll just say add, right? There should be a, oh God, why is there, oh, there's so many things that says add. There should be say, oh, add, no. Arrays, maps, set add, add. There we go. Get add, or set add, get add. Right? No, hold on. How I don't get this. Hold on. How do I make it so that way I can get this event called on-clicked add? Why is that here? All right. This is what I think it is, right? Looting slot being declared by, okay. Because I can't get the inventory list from here into there because I have to cast to this first, so I need to get some kind of reference to it if I go ahead and do that, and I can't do it.
How do I rebuild the light again? How do I do that?
You go over to build. Do not click build. Click the arrow next to it. And then say build lighting only. Whatever you do, do not click build. It's going to build the entire game.
Build lighting only. There we
Yeah. Don't
I'm
click
going room by room here. Like, I started on the furthest room. I'm going room by room.
Okay. I'm trying to. Oh god, this is so difficult. How do I add this to the inventory list? Maybe I can make a. No, because if I make a function, then it's not going to work because I still need to cast to the widget of what I'm getting. Maybe I could. Wait. Inventory widget, looting widget. What if I could do character and then I could say get inventory widget. No, this is no, sorry, no, I need to get looting. Get looting widget. Now I have the looting widget. How do I say get inventory list? Get inventory. Get inventory list. Aha! I think I've done it. Compile. 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 Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. After I'm done with this, I'm gonna go play some laser tag with my niece.
What?
It was maybe like a few years ago. We bought these like
Oh, they like
these
little
laser
chest strap
tags.
things,
Yeah. Yeah.
and like you have the gun with you, and yep,
Yep. It's good time. Good
I know
time.
what you're talking about.
Pew 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 pew. Yeah.
Bang 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 bang. Die, mother sucker, die, mother.
Okay, so now every single time I click add, it'll go ahead and it will say create this, but now I gotta say item data. Right? I think. But well, yeah, I don't know. For each loop, add whatever is in the item data. Well, how do I say item data of something else? Like, how do I say item data? Or I can go in here and say get the name of these and then put this into the item data. Maybe I could do like set. No, I don't know. Maybe actually, if I do set item data. No, I don't know how to. Hold on. So this is just saying item data, and this is a. Oh shoot, where is it? Content. UI. Inventory. Item data structure. It's a structure. Is there a way I could make a structure with this? Get struct. Data table factory. Get struct. Oh, a data structure. Data. Get data. Oh wait, hold on. I should probably do that. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Create asset data. Get. How do I? How do I do that though? How do I do that though? How do I set the item data? How do I do that? How do I do that?
Well, you go onto the you go onto the enterprise and you request lieutenant data. No.
Huh?
I got it. You didn't get it. The lieutenant data was a Star Trek character.
Okay. For each loop. If I said for each loop and then I made these into array and then I plugged that into the array, I don't think that would work. Would it?
I do not know, my dude.
It's gonna crash. It's gonna so crash. Make array. And then add these two. Wait, what? These are an object? What? Excuse me? So... Hold on, wait, hold on. How did I get the item data from... Oh, the array element. I don't have the array element because I need to plug in the data first, like this. Array element. Well, that's not gonna that's not gonna work out for me. Because... Oh, crap, that's not what I mean, I could do this, but then I can't put that in there like I wanted to. I can't put it in there like I wanted to. Oh, it's not compatible.
I like
Level design's fun, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, did I? Oh, crap. I probably should have showed you how to do the decals properly.
Never show for that. How do I?
Want me to show you
where's
quick?
the snap at? Where's the snap?
Snap?
Yeah.
I don't. Snap is. Oh, that's hard to explain.
I found it.
Okay, yeah. Do you want me to show you how to?
Yeah, sure. Let me save this real quick because I just did the 3 rooms and I switched them up from what yours was.
Okay.
I just need to do the bathroom and everything, so I just save file, save all. I'll do like the bathroom and stuff later.
Okay.
If you want to show me, then I'll just.
Yeah.
If you stream, yeah. If you,
Am I streaming?
if you stream.
I am streaming.
Alright, let me go here. Let me watch the stream. How do you do it?
Oh, you watching? Okay.
Yeah.
So let me go here and get that contents, the materials, decals. Now I've made this extremely easy for you. Okay.
Is it just drag and drop?
It's not like yes,
No.
but no. Here, I'll show you. Okay, so let's say I want to add blood to this wall. Okay, I'll add blood, and I can either say, do I want a blood of a hand, or do I want to have like high velocity blood, or static blood? And I can show you the difference between static blood is kind of like a pool on the ground. Static is kind of like, high velocity is kind of like a splatter more. So if I go inside here and I say high velocity, don't ask why this is here. It like this, I don't know why, but there's nothing in this folder. It's only in this folder. I don't know why, just deal with it. So high underscore velocity, and if I say 3, right? Actually, let's not get 3. I don't like that one. Let's get 4. Yeah. All I do is I just drag and drop 4 in. Now it's gonna look really weird, and the reason why is because it can only be like on the ground per se, but you can change the direction. If I pressed E, but let me press G so that way it shows the actual thing. You can see this blue arrow. Now, I want you to think decals are just like projectors. Wherever this blue arrow is going, it's going to project on that wall. So if I just rotate this 90 degrees, it'll go ahead and it'll start projecting onto the wall.
Dude, that's awesome.
You can scale it, you can do whatever. Now, this little box here is the Decal Trigger Box. Basically, what it's going to do is it's going to project anything there, which is good, but also bad, because if I put it over here, now you can see that it's currently in the way of this. So the best way...
That makes sense. Really,
yeah, because it's just like a projector. So what you can do to not let that happen is you can scale it this way, scale it all the way down to like the lowest point like that, and then just move it to the wall like just like that. And then you can press a G and you can do that, and then you can always click it and then move it around wherever you want.
That's awesome.
Make sure you do it for the floor as well, otherwise it's going to get on the shoes whenever you walk over it. It's pretty much that simple. Like if I went here, if I went into leakage is a really cool one. So if I go into grunge and I go into 2 per se, I can go ahead and put, oop, that's not the right one. If you ever see this one, don't do it. Always go to the one that looks more like I named it. Drag and drop it in, and I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it. Sometimes it'll still look wonky. You just kind of rotate to how you like it, like 90. And you can put it up to the wall, and you see how like
what-
this is
what is
happening
that?
again. This is
Yeah.
just grunge. There's just dirtiness. I can go ahead and scale it.
I would say because it looks awesome.
That looks pretty decent. And then I can go ahead. I can like, you know, you can just go crazy with it. And now it looks like that. And oh, yeah. Okay, I can't play it because I have compile errors and everything else. But yeah, that's basically how to do it. I have stuff where I Rebel. My favorite one ever is the trash. I love trash. It just makes things look dirty. It just makes things look. It's just good.
Yeah.
Like that, and then yeah, it
How much do you love
just
trash?
fits.
Do you love
I
it how, like,
love
you-
trash so
Like,
much.
no,
I
no.
wish
You love
my
it as
mom
much
was
as Oscar
trash.
the Grouch?
What?
Yeah, you do. Yep. Uh-huh.
Right.
Okay.
Silence.
Yeah,
Okay.
I gotta go bring everything over there.
That's
Yeah.
basically how to do decals. I have posters.
Yeah.
I have
That seems very simple.
yeah. Yeah,
You
and
have
I can add them
posters?
at any
What?
point. Yeah, I have posters. And what's cool about them is that with the posters, they're made a little bit differently, but you don't have to do that because I already did it. Oh, hang on. I'm gonna show my niece what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So, do you know what zombies are? Do you know what zombies are? Okay, so right now, me and my friend are making a zombie game where you have to loot things and you basically have to survive. Right now this is just level design, so I'm able to go ahead and kind of just like place anything I want, like a poster. I could place blood, I could place a little bit of dirtiness, I could place trash. Something else I can do is I can make zombies. So if I went in here and I went into maps, let me see. This is one of the other maps that I've created. Okay, so inside here, oh, hold on, let me fix this. It's just saying that this is an error. I'm gonna fix that up. All right, so you have like a little gun, you have ammo, you can shoot. Open up doors, you can go in here. There's a zombie, and I think he's being a little stupid right now, but you can shoot him and he'll die. You can go inside these little drawers and then you can loot stuff. That's currently what me and my friend are working on. Oh, he tried to hit me. I'm gonna have to fix their. I think there's something wrong with their AI, but you can kill, you can scavenge, you can do whatever. There's the bathroom. I'm not gonna show you the bathroom now.
That's a good choice.
Yeah. But yeah, that's basically what I'm working on. Do you think you would want to learn how to do this someday? Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Hold on, I'll be right back, Cam.
Yeah, no problem, my dude. That was adorable. I gotta do that fixed anything. Hello.
Cameron, how long do you think you're gonna stay on for?
No, I gotta like get everything over to my to the other house soon.
Soon? Okay.
I was planning on like staying on to like 7:38ish on the computer, and then I was gonna bring everything over to the other place.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't want updates. Stop telling me I need to update my computer.
You should update your computer, man. It's important.
No, it said select the time to start update for your computer. I'm not kidding. It keeps telling me that, Tristan. People maps.
I'm gonna show my niece my YouTube channel, okay?
Alright.
Okay. So this is my, oh, you want to see what I looked like when I was really young? Okay, if I go down here and I go to oldest, can just go all the way down here. Look how many videos I have. You want to see me watch the hot? You want to see me eat the habanero? A pepper, really hot pepper. Alright. I mean,
Habaneros.
Am I recording and streaming at the same time? I don't
oh
know if
god, I don't like how I looked back then. Let me.
Maybe it says.
Tristan,
Stop
what advice?
streaming
No
and
one likes how
stop.
they look.
Oh,
when they're
this
younger.
was when I didn't actually eat it here. When did I eat it? This was just saying that I would eat it at 100 subs. Streaming. Why am I so energetic? It was after this, I believe. We were. Did it better not have been taken down? Oh, I'm going backwards. That's why. That's why I gotta go forwards in time. No stream today. Ah, there it is. Streaming right now. And then here we go. So right here. Now, unfortunately, I was very bad at YouTube back then, okay? So what's gonna happen is you're only gonna be able to hear audio through the left ear, okay? Here.
The pepper.
I would chat, but I can't.
So I just eat like right below the green part.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's fucking bright red. Okay. And 3, 2. Oh, oops. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that crunch. It looks like my dick after it cut. Tasty.
Oh.
It's okay. Don't do anything irrational.
Oh. I swallowed it. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I feel like this video would be a lot more funny if it was.
Oh, that's so hot.
Ow! Alright, so, that was very, like, literally when I was eating my ghost pepper chips, they were hotter than that.
Oh. Oh.
that sigh of relief. Is that cum?
Then it just comes right back again.
Yeah, I know.
Does someone ask if that's cum?
There we go.
Oh.
I just pressed all of them.
Hey, what's up, boys? How's that jalapeno?
Oh,
Or
it's so
not
bad.
It's a habanero.
Where is it?
Yeah, don't eat peppers like that. I'm not good. I wasn't good with spicy stuff, but I am now because of that. I did horror games. I did Minecraft streams back in the day.
Hey, Tristan, quick question.
Yeah.
Where's the decals at?
Wait, you don't know where the decals are? Hold on.
I just went through
Go
every
to
single
content materials. Decals folders in there.
I hate myself because I think I passed by that.
Alright, you want to see the Slenderman thing? Well, thankfully this game's not that scary. Oh, you like scary stuff? Well, I'm very bad at scary stuff. You want to watch me get scared? Yeah. All right. This one wasn't scary because I wasn't playing it. Let me go to my other YouTube channel. The other one I have is actually, I think I have it up on Facebook. I think that's how good it was. Ooh, let me stop this so that way they don't see my Facebook. Might be a good idea. Here we go. Okay, so I played a very scary game, and then I also played a VR scary game, which VR is one of the things that really like put you in the game. I don't know if I want to. I don't know if I want to show you that one because I swear in it a lot.
Bad, Tristan.
I think I'll show you this one.
Don't look at the monitor. The monitor is.
Okay. Oh god, Facebook's quality is terrible.
Oh, Facebook sucks. Oh, you're talking about like streaming. Oh, yeah, duh.
Alright, I'm gonna show you the high quality stuff. Oh, what the heck? Oh, that's why. Why is it doing that? Alright, fine, I'll just do it this way. Alright, let me
Something
turn this back on.
to note is
Yeah, so this was the most scariest game that I've actually almost ever played. And I actually had to quit and I left my friend to die because I was too scared.
What is this?
This was SCP Containment Breach.
Oh,
Alright,
that-
so let me go to when it starts getting kind of interesting. Another thing is that when I stream this, people have the option to follow me, which following is kind of like
They watch you play it?
yeah, they'll watch me play it, but if they click the follow button, they'll be able to get notifications every single time I stream. It's kind of like a subscription kind of thing. Whenever someone subscribes or follows, it plays a jump scare that I get jump scared at. I don't remember this is one of those times, but if you want, you can listen to it. This was not too long ago,
Okay.
so you'll be able to hear this one out of both ears.
you don't want to be stuck in this, alright? Now the problem with this is it's a timed event. We have to click this button. Once we click the button, the little decontamination unit will be opened. When it is opened, you have to run into it and then run out the other side. If it closes in on you, you are screwed. Jesus Christ. Don't look at the monitor. The monitor is an SCP. I forgot about that. If you look at the monitor for too long, it jump scares you. I'm gonna press F5 to save, and I'm going to run in. Nope. No. Wait for it. Okay, SCP-173 is literally right there. He's inside. Do you want to see him?
Sure.
Tell me when you blink.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, don't look away. What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh no, he's inside. He's inside. He's inside. He's inside. He's inside. Oh my god.
I didn't know I wasn't supposed to look away.
I told you.
Oh, dude. So the person I was playing it with wasn't scared at all.
What?
The person I was playing this with wasn't scared at all.
Oh.
How are you not scared by this?
I don't know. It's not scary.
What? This is terrifying. Hey, Judas says he's scared, alright?
It ain't.
Which one is scared? So we had to go in a pocket dimension. And jump straight to the pocket.
If I can get through, I
How
don't
do I
even. I don't
trade-
like this, man.
How do I trade items, like, in my inventory? Hello? Tristan.
I'm a bit busy.
Oh.
I think I'm getting jump scared right now. What the fuck is going on? I can't even look, dude. I can't even look.
I don't even understand how this is scary.
This is terrifying. What do you mean? Even the person in my chat saying it's terrifying.
Oh.
Just suicide, man. Just suicide. How did you
God.
get?
Fighting as a way of kind of skipping the jump scare sequence. Now I'm gonna go to the part where scared. Oh, this was one of the times where my own chat was scared.
To me.
What is this? I don't
Alright,
know what
I'm in the
SCP this is.
elevator. I'm in the elevator.
Biohazard. Oh shit, you're in the elevator? Fuck! What's going on? What's going on?
Did the power just go out for you?
Yes.
That might have been my fault.
Why?
The elevator landed and then the
I can't do
light
this,
went
dude. I can't do this.
It
Someone
is not-
followed jump scared me.
Tristan, oh, I see a dark hallway, but I don't really see anything down it. Oh, a body.
Maybe Shelly. Thank you for the follow. I can't do this game. I need Nate. I need my senpai
You-
Nate.
You need someone else that will be close with you, you mean?
Yes. You do not make me feel better. You make me feel like a wuss for being scared.
Because you are. Oh wait, I'm at the generator.
Yeah.
Can you I can't see anything. I thought I was gonna die. I was gonna suicide.
No, don't suicide. It says
I'm
generator
suicided, man. I just
Tristan.
listen. I got a message saying you can't. I got a message saying stop hiding. Okay.
So stop hiding then.
Oh, this is worse. I can't see any. Okay, I can't do this. I'm sorry. I have to quit. I can't do
Tristan.
this.
Oh my god. This was your idea to play this game.
I can't do this, man. My chat's asking.
Oh yeah, I got extremely jump scared. When I get jump scared, I don't react like a normal person would. It's all internal for me. So when I get jump scared, I more like jump like that and that's it. I don't yell, I don't scream, I barely even make a facial expression. Kind of. I don't jump with my arms. I jump with everything except for my arms. Yeah, pretty much. I've never fallen out of my chair though. Would you at one point want to play a game with me like this? Yeah, I'm really terrified when it comes to this stuff. So
I like scary stuff.
yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I put that on Facebook. Let me close that out.
I'm gonna come right back.
All right. She's cute. Are you okay?
Oh, she sounds adorable. I just shot a zombie and I just spam clicked, right?
Yeah.
I forgot there's a print string at the top, right? So I'm creating a level and I'm testing it to make sure the blood doesn't appear anywhere else, but like on the floor or below anything else, right?
Yeah.
So I spammed the 9 shots,
Okay.
and before he went down, I got to negative 350.
Whoa, what?
I spammed 9 shots, right? And you know how it takes away like 50 health per shot right now?
Oh, yeah, I
So
see. Yeah.
I spammed it until I ran out of bullets, and as they're doing the animation to go down, it still counts it in the print string, so it just goes up and it goes lower and lower and lower. They got to negative 350 with 9
Wow.
shots.
Damn.
But no, I'm putting like blood and decals now.
Yeah, just so my chat knows, I didn't let her watch the next second because I said my chat is asking if I need AIDS.
If you do what?
My chat's asking me if I need AIDS.
So
Wait, what?
yeah, the chat was asking me if I need AIDS. Apparently, it's because I said I need my senpai Nate to confront me because you make me feel worse for being scared. And I think someone thought that I said AIDS instead of Nate. So they were asking if I needed AIDS.
I just find it funny that they would ask that.
Yeah.
But wow, you need Nate. You don't need me.
I just run.
Well,
yeah.
It's a good thing you. If you ever said me, I'd be like, what am I gonna do? I'm the biggest scaredy cat there is, which is weird considering the amount of stuff I have in my room that just protects me from all the scary things.
I need to play more horror games. I don't know.
I'd love to do that with you, Tristan.
But
the only problem with that is we're both gonna be scared. I'm gonna throw my controller.
that's good content, really.
It really is. I'm gonna save this right now. I was just adding decals into the second room. I gotta go to the bathroom of this place. So wait, if I go to the bathroom here, because I haven't created one, right?
Ooh.
Was that just
That'll
spawn me into the other?
Yeah, that should spawn you into the other room's bathroom.
Yeah, it does. It does.
If you make a new thing for the bathroom, I'll show you where to put it after you make it.
I'm just thinking, should I should probably go to the level stuff, right? Oh, I'm not out. Why am I not out of the game yet? Jeez.
You can't actually, like, because I don't know why Unreal doesn't let you do it, but you can't drag stuff out of some folders. Hello. So you actually have to go inside the files and drag and drop them.
Alright, so I was gonna make a second folder in the lootable maps to put this one in.
Hey Kitty, what's your favorite instrument?
A drum.
A drum. Do you have?
They're awesome.
Do you have any interest in piano? Yeah. Do you want to learn someday? I can teach you a little bit. I don't know how much I'd be able to teach you because your hands aren't big enough to be able to do some stuff, but I can teach you a little bit. Here. Let me go to here. Let me just make sure it's working. Okay.
I'm watching this now.
Alright. So I'm gonna have you put this on. Actually, here, I can hold these on your head because you're gonna need your fingers. Here, you can sit down.
I don't need to hold on to it.
Okay. So
I can hear your friend.
you can hear you. Okay, hold on. Hold on. You're getting muted.
Okay.
Alright, there we go. He's just no longer there. Ooh, well, you can no longer hear him. Alright. Okay, so put your hand out like this, just so I know how big your hand is, comparison. Okay. So what I want you to do is, basically, do you know how kind of piano works?
What?
Do you know how piano kind of works?
You like, you, like, you make a song out of it.
Right, so let's see, what is this octave on? Okay, -1, alright. So, all the way down here is the lowest note, all the way up here is the highest note. It goes from lowest to highest.
I know.
Okay? So one tune, I think it was the first ever tune that I learned, was the Flash theme, which is, it's this one right here. Okay, it starts with that, and you kind of go like here, and then you go here, and then here. Okay, so like that, okay? And then you go up one, and then down one, and then back. So you want to start, yeah, that's good. So now you want to put it together, you want to go like this, like that. Exactly, yep. And now you want to do it a little bit faster with more of your fingers, so you probably want to use, like, oh, sorry. But I have never done it from this angle. Like that. You don't, yeah. It's this now, instead of that one. So, you want to play that one first, and then that one, and then that one, and then that one. So you want to play it like that, up, and then you want to go back. And then eventually, like that. You can play a lot of songs like, here, so if I turn the octave down, let me just play some. Do you know that song? No? Okay. Have you ever watched the movie Up?
What is that movie?
It's about a house, and this guy runs away from doing taxes, where he puts a bunch of balloons on his house and he flies away.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I think that one goes. Oh God, I'm not listening to it, so I'll hold on playing the right keys. Actually,
Here, you can wear the headphones for a second.
I think I can hear it through there. Yeah, I can. Yeah. Okay. And. Oh. Hold on.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh yeah, no, you won't be able to. You can't do this because your hands aren't that big yet, but you'll go. There's a lot of. Do you know? I don't know this one. Yeah, I'm gonna move you over a little bit that way. I need two hands for this one. Is that? Yeah, that's okay. I don't need any more.
Yeah, I think I heard that before.
Yeah, that one's called Moonlight's on Channel. One of the Cameron loves this song. Okay. That one is very experimental, but that's the lowest. That was the most recent song that I learned, but the easier way to do it.
I like that one.
I know.
I like that one.
Called Letty Pierce Castle. Yeah, this one's really fast. I put down a little bit loose, but yeah. There's some random tunes I know. A lot more later on than I learned. But yeah, no, I went out with. I know some kind of dark themed songs, like some dark suspense songs. It's hard to play because I've never played one standing up. But yeah. I think I'm with someone. I was surprised to see someone. A dirty plate? That's because I ate a Hot Pocket for lunch today. I haven't cleaned it up. Although I did clean up my dinner, which makes no sense whatsoever. Absolutely. Cameron, are you still there? Oh crap, I have... Hold on. Totally forgot that I don't even have you. Forgot that I turned them off. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Hello? You're playing the Zombies theme.
I was playing the Zombies theme, yeah.
I heard bits and pieces of it.
Yeah. I started learning that complex thing.
I was hearing bits and pieces of it, and I'm like, what is that? I was like, Cameron loves this one, and I'm like, which one? I started feeling like it would cut out, and I'd hear like bits and pieces. I'd hear bits, and I'm like, that's the
Oops.
Zombies theme.
Okay, so I am probably going to go.
Get off.
Yeah.
Me too, because I gotta
You
get
gotta go? Okay.
over there, let the dog out again, and just stay over there for the night.
Okay. I'm gonna probably continue this at some point tonight.
I'm probably gonna get back on tomorrow and do some of it later.
Okay.
Because I can't bring my computer over there.
Yep.
Well, I could. I'm not gonna. I don't trust myself carrying that thing all the way over there and hooking it up.
Okay. I am gonna go.
Alright, see ya, man.
Bye. Alright, there we go. We're gonna go here and